Welcome back from vacation. Well, at least the holiday break. My name is D7 here at Grok a Trade. It is Tuesday, December 27th, 2016, and have a few more days here to wrap up 2016. Markets go bullish today, and NASDAQ doing the best, up 0.5%. Banks up 0.5%, but financials not doing so hot. Dollar flat. Crude oil though up 1.5%. Gold up, silver up, and VIX break even. And here we are looking at the S&P 500 ETF called the Spider. The Spider, here we had this big run up. We go into a bull flag, and then pop, boom, to the upside. Not a lot of volume, but that's to be expected for the remainder of this year. I put this in over the weekend edition video thinking, hey, we got a good chance of going higher. Sure enough, we pop higher, and I put a buy signal on the Spider. Diamonds, I said I expect this to go higher. I already have a buy on it. I did not add a second buy on it for the purpose that we haven't broke out yet. I think Wednesday is our day of hitting 20,000 on the Dow. We're all anticipating that to be touched. Looking forward to it. NASDAQ, we break out. I said I look at this to go higher. Sure enough, we went higher. Let me get rid of that. And I did put a buy now on the NASDAQ. But people sold into a lot of strength here. But we did close above that resistance line, which is very good for tech stocks. Small caps not doing as well as the other indices. However, I thought, hey, we'll probably go higher. Sure enough, that's what happened today. I went ahead and put a buy order, but I think it's a short-term buy. To be quite frank, there's just no volume. The banks, I said I expected to go higher, and sure enough, it did. Let me get rid of that. I put a buy on banks. Financials, I still expect it to go higher. The US dollar, flat. Crude oil breaks out of a major resistance line, but it stalls out here at this red resistance line. Popped up, hit this red line. You can see it here. Up, tagged this line, which was this area of resistance, which takes us back to this area of resistance, which takes us back to this major area of resistance. This is June 29th, okay? June 29th. Take that same line. You'll see that it touched it here. That was October 19th. And we come across, we do it again December 13th. And we come across and we touch it yet again. We touched it here on December 27th. And then we came back down and we closed at this area of resistance. This area of resistance coming across. Actually, I need to snuggle it up. So it definitely closed below that. I want to put a buy on crude oil, but because it stalled here, I'm just not ready to do it yet. And gold, though, another ball game, said I expect to go higher. Sure enough, that's what it did. I added a buy. Might be a short-term buy, but nonetheless, there is a buy now on gold. Same goes for silver. Said I expect silver to go higher. Sure enough, it does. Boom, to the upside. I have a buy now on silver. Buy on gold, buy on silver. And we are wrapping up a year. Use it or lose it. If you ever thought about getting mentored by us, if you want us to teach you, it'd be 19 years me trading in the markets. And I trade a significant amount of money on a day-to-day basis in the markets. I day trade, swing trade, investment trade. I do it all. And I predominantly use these charts, which can in fact be quantified. So for you engineer type minds out there, you have price action and you have volume. It's raw data. Whoever reads that the best wins. And that is period. So I say go to Grok Trade. Go to Grok Trade. And, you know what? I gave everybody the Stock Picks V newsletter. I did do that. Stock Picks V newsletter. I'm going to hit refresh here and give you the brand new lists. If you are watching this video right now, you have just benefited greatly. This is our Stock Picks V newsletter that people pay $1 a day for. It's $30 a month. Our bull list, here's the updated list. Pause the video, write that down. The only one that was added from the previous week was KHC. Here are the 3 that removed from last week. They no longer meet our fundamental criteria. Over here on the bear list, here are those that are fundamentally very weak. And we had some big, these that are on our list. This one for the week, Fossil, lost 16%. BKE lost almost 8% for the week. Here are the ones that we added this week, which are included. But we're the only list out there that I know that does a bull and a bear list. And we do fundamental picks, but we trade them technically. So the video down here, which you will not have access to, talks about these stocks on the bull list and one on the bear list, which are highlighted by our mentor, Mark the Meerkat, in the video. So it shows different charts. So if I were to play this video, jump ahead, you can see that we talk about the different setups that we're looking at and what we're expecting in those. So we have, anyway, that video is playing in my ear right now. That's the Stock Pick V newsletter. And if you were to actually, let me hit back a couple times, go back. If you were to, whoops, went back too far. If you go to the Grok trade, move this down just a little bit, you can click on Stock Picks V newsletter right there. And you get signed up. We'll give you 2 weeks for free. Just use that code, 2 weeks. That'll help you out. But if you want the mentorship, if you want to know our secrets that we learned in our 19 years, my 19 years, and we have many years of trading experience in the markets, and we're traders first, educators second. And that's where we can mentor you. Click on mentoring, fill out the form. Now, here's why you'll want to do this right now. We only got a few days left here. If you get mentored after, and you take care of your enrollment after January 1st, you're going to incur a 31% increase. We haven't had an increase in a few years. It's time. We're going to do a big one, 31%. And it's just going to keep going up from there. If you take care of your enrollment before January 1st to do our January or our February mentorship, then you're going to get it for a 31% discount. We'll give it to you for the same price we've been doing for the last 3 to 4 years, and you're going to benefit from that. So here's your chance to do that. Feel free to go through all the videos. There's too many videos. I give you too many at a fault. We just have so many. There's so many I haven't even posted. There's just some of our students. Maybe one of them will connect well with you, and you'll say, that is me. And but you can feel very confident to fill out the form. You will be contacted. This is what you can expect. You will be contacted by either Keisha, my personal assistant, or Carolina, who is a full-time day trader who went through our program. She did go through Better Trades and then came to us for education. And then from there, she excelled in her trading, and she's just a huge believer. Now she's with us and loves our product, and that's her here actually. So this gal, it'd be either Keisha, my personal assistant, or Carolina, who will chat with you just to give you all the facts about the mentorships, and just so you can go into it with your eyes wide open with all the information you need to make a wise decision. So we just ask you to invest in yourself going into the future, and we're here to help you with your future. So there you have it. If you like it. Catch you later.